Dear students, today let's study our new chapter Ratio and Proportion. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand about ratio and proportion. Our chapter 12, Ratio and Proportion. Have you ever heard this word ratio or proportion? Okay, don't worry. Let's discuss today what is ratio and what is proportion. First, ratio. Ratio is using for comparison, for comparing. We compare the two quantities in terms of how many times. This comparison is known as ratio. If we have any two quantities, we compare how many times is greater than the other one, or just like that, comparison is known as ratio. We denote a ratio using the symbol, this symbol. Can you see the yellow dot, small dot? This read as is to. This symbol is read as is to. You can easily understand by doing this problem. First question, find the ratio of the following. 33 kilometer to 121 kilometer. Very simply, we can find the ratio of these two numbers. For this, first we have to divide these two numbers. 33 divided by 121. Just simplify this. In 33 and 121, 11 is common. In 33, 3 times 11. In 121, 11 times 11. So remaining number is 3 by 11. So the ratio is 3 is to 11. Very simple. We just write the numerator and denominator as by using this symbol ratio. Don't write 11 is to 3. Just start with the numerator. 3 is to 11. Second question. 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Here one difference because first number is in centimeter, second number is in meter. But in the case of ratio, two quantities can be compared only if they are in the same unit. But here it is not in the same unit. So first we convert this into same unit. So meter we convert into centimeter. 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter equal to 40 centimeter to 150 centimeter. 150 centimeter. Then by divide this, then 0 should be cancelled. No other number in common between 4 and 15. So answer 4 by 15. It's equal to 4 is to 15. Okay. Next, we have one word problem for this ratio. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys? We know number of girls is 20, number of boys is 15. What is the ratio of the number of girls to the total number of students in the class? Total number of students also we know 20 plus 15 equal to 35. Then by step by step, first we find a question. Ratio equal to number of girls to number of boys. So simply we can write girls is to boys. Girls is 20, 20 is to 15. That is 20 by 15. 20 is to 15. We can write it as 20 by 15. Then simplify. 5 is common. 4 times 5, 20. 3 times 5, 15. 4 by 3. That's equal to 4 is to 3. Next B question. Number of girls to total number. So girls is to total number. Girls we know 20. Total number we know 35. 20 is to 35. 20 by 35. Then 20 by 35, 5 is common. In 20, 4 times 5. In 35, 7 times 5. So answer is 4 is to 7. So have you understood this? Yes, very simple. Next question, 3 question. In a year, Seema earns rupees 1,50,000 and saves rupees 50,000. Find the ratio of. Here, Seema earns 1,50,000 and saves. Her saving is 50,000. Then, where is the remaining 1 lakh rupees? Yes, 1 lakh rupees she spend. She spends 1 lakh rupees. For in the ratio of money that Seema earns is 1,50,000 to money she saves we know 50,000. B question, money that she saves is 50,000. Money that she spend, yes, she spends is 1 lakh rupees. So first we do all these solutions. Money that Seema earns, Seema saves, she spend. Three numbers are there. Then do first question A, ratio equal to earns to saves. Earns is to saves. Earns is 1,50,000 is to saving 50,000. That is, first we write the fraction form, then divide. For dividing this very easily, you don't be confused. Here in the numerator 40, denominator also 40. 40 should be cancelled. 15 by 3. In 15 3 times 5. In 5 1 times 5. Then 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is 3 is to 1. Then B question. Money that she saves is 50,000. Spend is 1 lakh rupees. Then 50,000 is to 1 lakh. This also very simple. 40. Here also 40. Then 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is remaining. In 5, 1 5. In 10, 2 5. That is 1 by 2 equal to 1 is to 2. Okay, these are about ratio. Next we have to study about proportion. Proportion is also very simple. If two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion. First we find the given numbers are equal. That is, the ratio of the given numbers are equal. Then we can say that two ratios are in proportion and use the symbol. For ratio we use only 2 dot. For proportion we use 4 dot. Or equal. Equal to also we can use to equate the two ratios. First we do one question. 15, 45, 40, 120. If these four numbers are in proportion, that is the question. For doing this, first we select these are two pairs. First two numbers are one pair, second two numbers are second pair. That is 14 is to 45. 14 is to 45 equal to 14 by 45. By simplifying we will get, here you can see in 15 115, in 45 315, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 equal to 1 is to 3. Next we find 40 is to 120. 40 is to 120, 40 by 120. Then by dividing, 0 should be cancelled. Remaining 4 by 12. In 4 1 4. In 12 3 4. That is 1 by 3. Yes, we got two ratios are equal. So we can say that 15, 45, 40, 120 are in proportion. These are equal, so they are in proportion. Then we use this symbol 14, 45. Sorry, 15, 45. Proportion, use 4 dots. Then write 40 and 120. Next question. B question. 24, 28, 36, 48. Then first take 24 is to 28, 24 by 28. In this 4 is common. 6 times 4, here 7 times 4. 6 is to 7. 6 by 7 is 6 is to 7. Next take 36 and 48. In 36 and 48, which is common, 6 is common in 36. 6 times 6. In 48, 8 times 8. Again we can simplify. In 6, 3 times 2. In 8, 4 times 2. That is 3 by 4. 3 is to 4. These ratios are in equal? No, these are in equal. Therefore, 24, 28, 36, 48 are not in proportion. What is the reason? These two ratios are not equal. One is 6 is to 7. Second one is 3 is to 4. So, they are not equal. Therefore, these numbers are not in proportion. Okay. Next question. Are the following statements true? Here, these two ratios are equal. That is given. We check this is true or false. First 40% is to 200 persons. So first we find 40 is to 200. Then dividing 0 0 cancelled 4 and 20. In 4 1 time 4, in 25 times 4. 1 by 5 equal to 1 is to 5. So first ratio is 1 is to 5. Then we find second ratio. 15 is to 75. 15 by 75. In 15 115. In 75 515. That is 1 by 5. So 1 is to 5. Yes, we got these are equal. So we can write. So the given statement is true. Next question, B question. 32 meter is to 64 meter equal to 6 seconds is to 18 seconds. First we do the ratio of these two numbers. 32 is to 64. 32 by 64. In 32 132. In 64 2 times 32. That is 1 by 2. 1 is to 2. Next we do these two ratios. 6 is to 18. 6 by 18. In 6 1 6. In 18 3 6. That is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 equal to 1 is to 3. Oh, these are equal. First one is 1 is to 2. Second one is 1 is to 3. They are not equal. So we can write the given statement is false. Okay children, that's all for today.